is the kind of stuff you see in my vlog, you guys. Taco Bell in the car wash. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Chelsea. I'm vlogging one weekend in my life each month for a year, and you're welcome to come along. This is One Weekend a Month, Episode 2. Welcome back.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog. If you can't tell, Mojito's very excited. Puppy. We just put up at boarding. I'm gonna drop him off. This is my first stop of the day. We're gonna go stay overnight in Rochester tonight, so Mojito's treat is he gets to go to boarding. It's about 9:45 on Saturday morning. I'm dropping him off a little early so he has extra time to play. And now he doesn't have to be home alone. All right, I'm gonna get him inside, you guys. I will talk more after I drop this boy off at camp. All right, that's that, tater tots. We're one step closer to our overnight in Rochester. A really good vlog planned for you guys. It's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. All right, guys, something a little bit different for you. I'm going through the car wash, and I'm gonna have some Taco Bell breakfast while I do. This is the kind of stuff you see in my vlog, you guys. Taco Bell in the car wash. Let's go. Alright guys, checking in. I'm at Target in Midway with my mom. Let's shop. Alright guys, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm just about to leave my mom's and head home. Zach and I are gonna get on the way to Rochester. I had a good time with my mom. We went to Target, we did some shopping. We wanted to go to the St. Paul art crawl, but honestly, after shopping and getting lunch, I think we were both just a little bit pooped. And honestly, the weather, it's so windy. It's kind of cool and really a lot of wind today. So just didn't really feel like the day to be doing an art crawl, but oh well, there's a lot of festivals, a lot of cool stuff that happens in St. Paul in the summer, so we'll have other chances, and I'm sure I'll bring you guys along. All right, let's get home, and let's get on the road to Rochester. All right, guys, we're on the road to Rochester. Well, just about. We went the wrong way, so we turned around, and we're gonna be on the road to Rochester.
I mean, I went like a block the wrong way.
A couple blocks. I'm just teasing you, it's all good. I didn't know which way. And we're right by our old place.
Yeah.
Our old rental.
Townhouse.
Yeah, our own townhouse. It was right down that road where the guy's walking. Old playground. What is it, like an hour and a half to Rochester, right?
Hour 15.
Hour 15, yeah, I thought it was like that. So it's 4 o'clock now. We'll probably be getting there around 5:30 or so. Just in time for our dinner reservation, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, at Twig's. I'm excited for that. That should be pretty good.
What is it, the Hot Rock experience?
Yeah, we're gonna get the Hot Rock. We're gonna cook meat on some Hot Rocks for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to show you guys. It's a whole
Not
thing.
even Asian.
It's not even Asian, you guys. We're not even. Yeah.
I think it's not Australian, is it?
No.
No, it's.
I heard someone indicated it was Spanish, but I don't know about that. I think rock cooking is actually, then I like looked it up. I think it's actually been around, like it's one of the oldest forms of cooking.
Mm-hmm.
So probably every culture's kind of had some of it.
Okay.
Is kind of what I glean from that. Yeah. I got to charge the GoPro maybe. Got a little low today.
We just started the day.
We'll figure it out. I know, and we're just starting the day.
Well, you can charge it here on the way.
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. I'll probably stop recording and charge the GoPro. All right, we'll update you later. About an hour 15 to go. We're staying at the Collar Grand.
I don't gotta wonder.
Card here or something.
Oh yeah, this door is locked open. Who's your key card? Oh. Alright, so we have to go find a main entrance.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, when we have it.
Alright guys, we just got to Rochester and to Twig's Cafe for dinner.
This table almost up you over here.
Look at that. We got isn't that the filet mignon we got? Filet mignon, fries, shrimp. Should be good. Gonna do some hot rock cooking.
Ketchup.
Oh.
Alright, here we go.
And then you can do some shrimp too.
I like really hard.
It smells so good.
Alright, that's cool.
Yeah.
I'll take a corner.
It's a nice view out the window. Very basic.
Alright, we gotta go.
We heard a train this morning. We have no idea where the train actually was, though. AC's loud. You can see our room here. Pretty basic. Not much to speak of, so didn't really give a full room tour. All of that probably not necessary for this space. And then suites. And this is where we stayed last night. Seriously, nothing too fancy, guys. Alright guys, so our stay here was really cheap. As I mentioned, the price was right. There he is. He's smiling. We're on our way to pick up Mojito. He seems to be doing alright. Every time we watch him on the camera, we can see him smiling. Just walking around and grinning. He loves it there. We'll be there soon. We got home a couple hours ago. We're both pretty tired. Neither of us slept very good last night, so I'm gonna take a couple naps and we'll check back in later. Do you hear Mojito just chowing away at his food? Oh, he's hungry. Well, hey there. It is about 7:45 on Sunday night. We just finished shopping at Hy-Vee. $250 later, we're gonna go get some canes. We're just gonna split a 6-piece, I think.
I missed a turn.
Yeah, I used to always do that.
It comes up so quick.
Yeah, it's weird turning over here.
And that's the only entrance you can go through. Like,
I know.
These don't connect.
Yeah, it sucks that these don't connect. It's they don't make it easy. Yeah, it's been a pretty good afternoon. I think I caught you up earlier. We took a couple of naps this afternoon for a few hours, and
well-needed naps.
Well-needed naps. We did not sleep good last night. Zach didn't sleep good for 2 nights. So, yeah, we slept for a couple hours, and I'm feeling more refreshed now. Yeah. And so we just did some shopping. Now we're gonna get some chicken.
And it's empty.
I know, Raising Cane's is never empty, you guys. Take a look at this. There's always a line.
At least where we're from. I don't know.
I don't know. I feel like lines at Cane's is pretty common. Cane's, I don't know. It's just really popular everywhere, it seems.
Yeah.
It seems.
You want your own piece of bread?
Show him a piece of bread?
No, do you want your own piece of bread?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I do too.
I do want my own piece of bread. I don't think you need to get extra sauce. I feel like last time we had too much.
One extra sauce then?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Twig?
Hey, can I get a 6-piece?
Sounds good. Sorry, that's gonna be $20.58 at the second window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Raising Cane's.
I want some sweet tea.
Unsweetened tea.
Yeah, right?
It's unsweetened.
Is it first or second?
I think second window. No one's there.
Okay.
He loves it. Good choice, baby.
Oh, good. Yeah. You need something like this. He's got a lot of stuffed animals, but doesn't that have that material?
Yeah, he needed a new toy, just like a non-stuffed animal toy. Yeah. Whoa.
You can get a slobber on this over and over again.
Yeah. That's not some good content.
Yeah. Oh, good boy.
Do you like your new toy? Lights off. Scary movie time. Here we go.
Alright guys, we just gave Mochi some catnip garden. Was it plush puffs? Yeah, plush puffs with catnip. And he is enjoying it.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I might have to play with the capture modes a little. Look at that. You look pretty.